thought you were videotaping.
Are you videotaping this? Turn the camera off. What do you want me to? I don't entertain people on the spot.
You waste so much battery or space by doing that.
Are you still videotaping? Oh my god! No, you're not. You're lying. Shane, make it stop. I'm gonna burp.
So attractive.